Welcome back at Otexpertise. In today's video we are answering the question why you should visit Maya Mall in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And stay tuned to the end to get some extra tips to get an even better experience. Are you ready for the answer? Let's find out. Hey, we are here at Maya Mall. I'm super excited to show you why you should definitely visit this mall when in Chiang Mai, or how it can be convenient if you're staying here for a longer period of time. Let's head inside. This video will be divided in 4 parts, so that's a good thing to know. We will be going over stores, of course, food, entertainment, and the outside area. I'm super excited to get started. Let's go. So many stores in Maya Mall. I'm going to add this emoji to the screen as a recommendation signal. Time for the next category, food, something that you cannot miss out on when visiting Maya Mall. You can find food and restaurants throughout the whole mall, but most you will find here on the 4th floor where we're at already, and on -1, where you can also find the supermarket and some smaller stores like bakeries. Here on the 4th floor you will also find a food court that's definitely worth checking out, as there are reasonable prices and there are lots of options. So let's show you around. And once again, with the other stores, I will do a little icon to show you my personal favorites. When visiting Thailand, checking out those places is something that you can definitely not miss out on. It's just a must. Of course, you need to try the original Thai tea, but today I'm going for a nice matcha and it's delicious. So if you want to give something else a try, then I would definitely recommend this one. After this quick pit stop with a drink, we're going to explore this floor with the other food options, and then it's time to head outside. But of course, stay tuned to the end before I give you an extra tip on visiting Maya. And by the way, if you're liking this video so far or finding it useful, then it would be great if you would leave a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of the upcoming videos, definitely consider to subscribe. And with that, let's get on with this video. We have arrived at the next part of this video, entertainment. So we're on the 5th
floor, and I've stepped outside a bit because it's really noisy inside with the game hall and the cinema. So for the entertainment, I will show you the cinema, SFX, 2 different game halls, and a lot of other options to check out. On the 5th floor, you will also find like a cafe library spot. That's also a great tip for any digital nomad or someone that wants to work at a different spot sometime, as it's free entry, and if you buy anything above 50 baht, you will get Wi-Fi access for 2 hours. So that's a good tip. Being inside Maya Mall for quite some time, it's time to head out and also to head over to our next category, the location of Maya Mall. You could say it's located at the end of the beginning of Niman area, making it the perfect opportunity to, besides exploring the mall, also explore Niman area itself. And I also made a video about that if you're curious to see more. So my first tip to do, due to its location of the mall. And my second one is that there's also a market in front of it, of Maya Mall. Just cross at the traffic light and there are lots of food and snacks options. To give you a better idea of the area, I'm going to head over there right now and show you around a bit so you can know what you can expect. And after that, it's already time for our last tips, and you definitely want to stay tuned for that. What do you think? Personally, I just really like it because it's in the heart of Niman area and there's always something to do. That's also something to keep in mind when visiting Maya Mall, that there's always something going on. Like right now, you have Singa Winterfest with artists that do performance and food and drinks. So yeah, that's just something that's really nice and to keep in mind. So it's time for the last part of this video. Good thing that you stay tuned for this, because I'm going to show you why you should definitely visit Maya Mall. As said earlier in the video, there will be an extra tip at the end of the video why you should definitely visit Maya Mall in Chiang Mai. Well, we're on top of it now because this mall has its own rooftop deck, giving you an amazing view of the mountain Doi Sutep. Definitely one that you should visit if you want to visit Doi Sutep temple, but also it just gives an amazing view also in the evening as the rooftop is still open then. Rooftop, there are also 2 extra trips. Because if you look at Doi Sutep and you go straight ahead, you will find Chiang Mai University. And this was actually a tip of a local that we met here in the city, because the university has a beautiful park and lake that you can walk and just relax. It's a really great tip. We went there a few days ago and it was really nice and relaxing. And also if you look down at the backside at the end of the mall, you will find a night market. It's not open now, but if you're later here in the day, then definitely check that out as well. This video and the 3 extra tips, I hope you will have an amazing visit here at Maya Mall. Thank you so much for watching. I had an amazing experience. If you want to see more of Chiang Mai, then definitely check out this video where we're actually exploring the perfect day trip from the city. Thank you once again. Hope to see you next time.